Hello, welcome to Gulfis kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an orange tea cake. And as the name suggests, this orange tea cake goes well with tea or coffee. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Press the bell icon to view my new video as soon as I upload them. And most important, watch this video till the end as you do not want to miss any important step. So let's get baking. So for that you will be needing 2 eggs, 150 gram of butter, 1 and 1/3 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, half tablespoon of baking powder and 1 orange. Now take a deep bowl and we have to sift the all-purpose flour to remove any large particles in it. And another advantage of sieving the flour is that the flour becomes more airy and the cake bakes more fluffy. If you want, you can combine all together the flour and the baking powder and sift them, or you can do it individually, first the flour then the baking powder, and add a pinch of salt. Now with the help of a whisk or any spoon, mix really well. Now take another bowl and keep the flour mix aside. To the new bowl, add half a cup of sugar and add 150 gram of softened butter. You can microwave the butter so that it may become soft, and add 2 whole eggs. Now whisk it for about 4 to 5 minutes. You can use a hand blender for this step if you have one. But if you do not have a hand blender, that doesn't make any difference. Whisk it until sugar, butter and eggs are all well combined and it looks like a homogeneous mixture. Now next add the zest of an orange. So with the help of a zester, scrape the orange zest. Do not scrape the white part, we only need the orange part, as the white part is bitter in taste, so be careful in scraping the orange. After adding the zest, cut the orange into 2 and extract the juice out of it. Now add this juice to the bowl of butter, sugar and eggs. And don't worry if you see that the butter curdles up. This is because we have added the cold juice. After adding the orange juice, add slowly and gradually flour mix to the mixture while continuously whisking it. Please add small portion of the flour mix at one time only to avoid the formation of lumps, and also this way it will be much more easy to blend the mixture. Keep on whisking at the same time. Keep on whisking until you see that the flour and all the wet ingredients are all well combined. It may take about 5 to 7 minutes to whisk it. And if you feel that your mixture is too stiff or thick and it's really hard to whisk it, you can add half a cup of milk or half a cup of water to the mixture and then whisk it until all well combined. Now grease a baking tin with some butter. You can also use oil if you want, and dust it with some dry flour. Dusting with dry flour avoids the cake from sticking to the bottom. And dust out the excess flour from the baking tin. And yeah, a tin is ready for the baking. Pour the cake mix to the baking tin, and here you will be noticing the lumps. These are not the lumps but the tiny orange zest particles. Now tap the cake mixture 1 to 2 times and even the top surface with the help of a spatula. Put it in a preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes until a wooden skewer inserted comes out clean. Take it out from the oven when it's done and let it rest for 1 to 2 minutes and then loosen up its sides with the help of a sharp knife. Place a plate on top and flip it. And do this again. Now place a wire rack above the cake and flip it again. Let it cool down on a wire rack. I have taken microwave wire rack. You can also do the same. When the cake is completely cooled down, remove from the wire rack and place it on a cake stand or any serving cake plate. Now take some powdered sugar in a sieve and dust it all over the cake. No need to buy it from the stove, just grind some sugar in a kitchen grinder and you get the powdered sugar. Dust the sugar until the cake is fully covered by it. The sugar dusting has transformed the cake to another level and it looks so gorgeous, like a Snow White. What do you all say? Isn't it look beautiful? Now let's slice the cake and see how it looks from inside. Wow, it looks so nice, and how beautifully the bright yellow color has emerged. Let me bring my tea to enjoy with this cake. But before that, let me show you all a closer look of this gorgeous orange tea cake. Now let's do the tasting. Can't wait to try it. It tastes amazing, buttery in taste, with a hint of orange flavor. Melts in the mouth. And the aftertaste is awesome. It is not much sweeter, but it's a rich flavorsome tea cake. I like to enjoy it with a cup of hot tea. It goes well with tea or coffee of your choice. So enjoy! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive my new videos as soon as I upload them. Also, if you have any suggestions or if you like to tell me which recipes I should make, please comment below. I would love to see your feedback. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.